there, I'm Dr. Giyaur, and today I'd like to tell you a little bit about kind of an interesting filler. It's called Radiesse, and it is a filler. It's a gel-like substance. It's basically calcium hydroxyapatite is the actual chemical name of it, and basically the reason I'm saying it's an interesting filler is that it not only fills, it's a very actually long-lasting filler. It could last for 2 years. But in addition to that, Radiesse also stimulates collagen, and it's actually very safe and very gentle but effective collagen stimulator. So because of that, I really like this filler, especially for people who already maybe had some hyaluronic acid fillers and know that they like the result. I frequently recommend Radiesse to that type of person because we can just get longer time out of this filler, plus collagen stimulation. Another thing that I really like about Radiesse is that it doesn't drop water. So in the areas where maybe we don't want too much water, hyaluronic acid fillers drop water. Radiesse really doesn't. It's a solid, good filler that gives us excellent results for a long time. So some of the areas where I like to use Radiesse are cheekbone, and it gives a wonderful lift. Another area where Radiesse is very popular is a jawline, and we can really sculpt someone's jawline to make it really nice and rejuvenated, or even in a man. Men like stronger jawlines, and this is a great filler to kind of give them that edged and sharp look that a lot of them desire. In women, I like the filler again for the cheekbone because it gives the lift. But in addition to that, what I also like is sometimes we start jowling fairly early on in our 40s. We start jowling. So what Radiesse does, it actually helps to straighten out that jaw and return that youthful form. Also, a lot of times what happens in women is that we start losing some of the bone from here. Radiesse really helps to bring back that volume that's been lost with time. So for that reason, it's a really wonderful filler for the face. There's really no contraindications for it. It's very safe, it's very effective. I love it. But there are other areas where we can use this filler, Radiesse. Radiesse is the only filler that's been approved to use on the hands. It's very effective to rejuvenate the hand. Sometimes when we start losing collagen and start losing volume in the hands, we take care of our faces, but we don't take care of our hands. The hands kind of start giving out our age. Radiesse is a wonderful filler for that. It gives basically instantaneous results that last and can last several years. There's another body part where this filler is very popular, and that's in the neck. Crepey neck really gives out age like nothing else. And it's very hard to do anything with the neck. Neck is one of the toughest problems to deal with, the aging of the neck. So there's a technique that's called hyperdiluted Radiesse. And basically we use hyperdiluted Radiesse, so Radiesse that's been diluted, so it's not as heavy as we would use in the face. But what we use it for its property of stimulating collagen. So when it gets injected into the neck, basically instantaneously gives you a nice rejuvenated look. But with time, as it builds collagen, it actually gives you a bit of a lift and definitely a very rejuvenated appearance. Radiesse can be used basically in everywhere. One of the popular places to use it is for butt lift because it stimulates collagen and because it is gel-like filler. It gives immediate effect, but then with time, as it stimulates collagen, it gives more of an effect. So Radiesse can be used anywhere and everywhere. It's extremely safe. I use it in all age groups, from young people in their 20s, just try to do a little bit of facial balancing in them, or in older people who just are losing collagen and want to upkeep their appearance. If you want to know more about it, if you want to know if you're a good candidate, please give us a call and we'll be happy to talk to you about it more.